Hey guys, welcome back to my 365 AI tool challenge, and today we are going to explore Anyword AI. This one is more focused on marketing content, meaning ad copy, landing page copy, email, product description, social post, and conversation focused content. So let's test it. So first open your browser and search Anyword, open official website, click on try it now, and you can sign up with the Google. And once you're in, you can see the dashboard. And it also asking to subscribe for 7 days free trial, which include 25 performance prediction and 2500 generated word. So click on get started and follow the instruction, and when you look at the dashboard, you can tell it look more marketing focused. So we have a content intelligence, brand voice, visual language, template builder, website agent, and total we have 25 performance prediction. Okay, now let's test the tool what's famous for. So first we can try ad copy generator. So click on create content, and you can choose blank project or template, any template, and select ad. And now you can select any platform. So I'll go with Meta, and I'll type online fitness coaching app. And now we can even select your audience. So I can select new fitness, and then tone of voice, motivator, and I can select image, and I'll let AI to decide, and click on generate. And now you can see the meta ad is ready, and it also shows the score. So for example, so we have a primary text, headline, and even AI generated photo. And if you still want to improve the score, you just click on score button, and you can even make any change to this prompt. Okay, now let's try another example. So again, go back to home page and click on create content and template. This time you can choose email, and here I can add discount details. What the offer, so 50% off by end of May. What product, sorry, is part of promotion, so black label membership. What action do you want reader to take, sign up. And I can choose audience, so maybe discount seeking is more suitable for this. And now click on generate, and now you can see our promotional email is ready. So similarly, you can create content for social media, ad, email, website, blog article, e-commerce, and others. So that's all for Anyword. This was just a small overview, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI tool.